Hey, I'm John Cannell, and today on Preppy Kitchen we're making a delicious chocolate banana bread from my new book. So let's get started.
Okay, let's start baking.
Now we're gonna grab a big bowl and measure out 1.5 cups or 180 grams of all-purpose flour. Lucky, off you go. The secret to a nice banana bread is gonna be measuring out the flour correctly. So Lachlan's using a scale and we're gonna get really close to 180. Just a sprinkle more, tell me when it's close. Now it's time to add 1/3 cup or 33 grams of Dutch processed cocoa powder. This is extra dark, right?
Yeah, right, but it's cocoa powder.
For balance, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt right into the bowl. Good job. To puff things up, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In you go. Just like when we make waffles, huh?
You add cocoa powder, though.
That's true, we don't make chocolate waffles, we make chocolate chip
Oh,
waffles.
I want chocolate waffles. I wish I could do that.
Maybe next video. Let us know in the comments. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
But I hope next time we can make chocolate waffles.
Just putting it out there, putting it out there in the universe.
With some cocoa powder.
Oh, right.
For extra flavor, we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon.
As an option, you could add 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom. Do you want to add this in? Smell.
It smells disgusting.
Then no cardamom for you today. It's optional. If it was just for me, I would add it in.
It's okay, you could add it. It does smell good. I can mostly smell the cinnamon.
Yeah, the cinnamon's, I know, you love cinnamon. So we're gonna, my scale's done.
Do you like my new hat? Do you like my new hat?
Grab a whisk, and now you're gonna mix it up. Just do a nice, careful job. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Good job. Very nice whisking. Think about that delicious chocolate.
Chocolate.
That's good. You want to give it a sniff?
Oh, let's put some chocolate chips in there.
Okay. No, you can dump the whole bowl in.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we're gonna use 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. Semi-sweet.
Dump the whole bar.
Yeah, dump all the chocolate chips in. Good job. I'll help you mix it up a little bit.
Yeah, please.
Sure.
Just put this bowl wherever.
Okay. Yes, sir. Good job. Okay. We're all mixed up. Now it's time for the wet ingredients. Set that aside.
Can I help?
Yes, so George wanted to come in and say hello. Say hi.
Hi.
And here's the deal. If your bananas are too yellow and these aren't really ripe, we bake them. So 350 for 10 minutes, just pop them onto a baking sheet.
That's your new book? It looks so big. I thought all the books are the same.
No, so I'm so excited to be sharing this recipe from my new book, Preppy Kitchen Super Easy. As George and Lachlan have gotten older, life has only gotten busier, and I know a lot of us have almost no time to get food on the table, but you still want to make something delicious. My new book has over 100 quick and easy streamlined recipes that you can make with zero frustration when you only have a few minutes to get something delicious on the table. My goal with this book was to have you spend less time in the kitchen and have more time for the moments that matter. Like spending time with your kids. Right, George?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
These guys are gonna go into the oven, 350 for 10 minutes, and they'll be nice and black and mushy and ready for the bread. It's time for some mushy bananas. Lucky, feel this. How does it feel?
Hot. Squishy.
It's squishy. Okay, so we're gonna cut these
No,
open.
it actually feels warm and squishy.
Warm and squishy, I would agree with that.
Do you really want squished bananas?
Look at this. Yeah. How does that look?
It looks like barf.
It does look a bit gross, but it's important to have the right consistency. And by the way, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There's 2 new videos every single week and tons of shorts too. Okay. This is,
I want to mash
oh look, that's good. That's 1.5 cups, so we didn't need the last minute.
Mash it more?
Yeah, you can mash it some more. So when you mash it like this, push it against the side.
Okay, okay, okay.
You know who else does a really, really careful job when he bakes?
What, who? George?
That it takes his time. It's very careful. Okay. My bananas are all mashed up, so now we're gonna transfer these into a medium bowl.
May I dump it in?
Sure.
All of it?
Yeah, that's good. 1 egg.
1 egg.
Do you know why I'm cracking it in here?
Because you're so excellent. Excellent.
Oh, that wasn't planned. No, because I want to make sure there's no shells. That looks good. You can pour it in.
Can I crack an egg?
Oh, next time. Egg number 2, you could check for shells though. Do you see any shells in there?
Do you?
Nope. Pour it in. Good job. This recipe is so quick, easy, and delicious that it made it into my new book, Preppy Kitchen. Super easy. There's links in the description box below.
How much recipes are on your book?
Over 100. Now we're gonna add half a cup of oil, and here we're using oil because you can pop this cake into the fridge and it'll stay pillowy soft right out of the fridge. If it was butter, it would be rock hard.
So do I pour all this in?
Yeah, pour it on. Half a cup of vegetable oil. If you want, you could use olive oil too. Any mild oil will work. Now for added richness and flavor, we're gonna add 1/3 of a cup of either sour cream or Greek yogurt. Both work really well. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Give this a nice stir. You can start slowly with a fork and then move on to a whisk if you want. The oil is just super, super liquidy, so it might fly all over the place if you whisk quickly. Okay, whisk, whisk, whisk.
Can we add the sugar in?
Yeah, let's add the sugar in. For a kiss of perfect sweetness, we're adding 3/4 of a cup of packed light brown sugar. I'm gonna measure this out and you can pour it in, okay?
Okay.
All right, 3/4 of a cup of light brown sugar or 165 grams. You wanna pop it in?
Pop.
Good job. All right, I'm gonna break up the brown sugar with my whisk just in case there's any lumps.
Oh, can I stir now?
You wanna have a turn? Here you go. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Get it all nice and well, normal speed.
Like this?
Yeah, you wanna see that it's all together. There's no streaks of white or streaks of oil left. Do you love helping in the kitchen? Shouldn't have taught him that. All right, finish this up and you're gonna see lumps of bananas hanging around. That's totally fine. I love little lumps of banana in my banana bread.
Me bananas hanging up there?
It's time to combine the wet and the dry. Lach, pick up that bowl. Here you go. Ready to pour? All of it goes in. No, all of it. I know, you're just kidding.
Can we stir it up now?
Yeah, let's stir it up. So let's grab a big spatula.
Like just stir it?
Well, we're gonna fold it in. So you never wanna overmix your batter because then you would not have a cakey, tender banana bread. So just mix it together really gently. All right, this is started. Do you wanna finish it up? So scrape around. One of our favorite weekend activities is making muffins or quick
Cupcakes.
One of our favorite weekend activities
is making cupcakes, muffins, and bread.
Yes, Lachlan especially loves cupcakes. But
chocolate cupcakes.
Chocolate cupcakes are his favorite. But muffins are
But not with nuts.
But muffins,
I don't like nuts.
but muffins are great too because
If nuts are treats, I don't like those
you can use them
treats.
as snacks.
Yeah, I love snacks.
Okay, this is nicely mixed. So now we're gonna grab a loaf pan, prep it up, and it's ready to go into the oven. To prep this out, we're just gonna spray it a little bit with baking spray. And now we're gonna pop a little piece of parchment paper in. This is called a cradle. This cradle is just gonna let us pull the banana bread out once it's done, so it'll come out really easily with no frustration. That's all prepped out. Before you add your batter in,
You need to add race cars.
look, we didn't see any of this here. It was hiding around. There was a little bit of flour at the very bottom, so just give your bowl one final scrape to triple check that it's all mixed nicely.
Wait, why is it hiding there?
Because it was at the bottom of the bowl and we didn't see it when we were mixing.
Pour it in and check on the bottom to see if there's no flour.
Okay, get all that batter out.
Let's get this into the oven very carefully.
First, we're gonna top it with some delicious things.
Oh, chocolate chips?
Would you like to add some chocolate chips?
No, sprinkles.
You have options. You could add sparkly sugar, chocolate chips, or half a banana. So I say we do chocolate chips and sugar. What do you say?
I want sparkly sugar and chocolate chips.
That's what I said.
I want both.
That's what I said.
Oh.
I got the chocolate chips, and Lachlan got the sugar. Good.
Here it is. It looks like diamonds. Want some?
Yes, I do. All right, sprinkle those over. Ooh, that's amazing sprinkling. Very nice. I'll help you. And now some sugar. So sprinkle the sugar on top. It looks so sparkly. Isn't it nice?
It looks like sparkly chocolate chip banana bread.
Yes. This is ready to go into the oven.
Our chocolate banana bread is going into the oven, and it goes.
350 for 50 minutes to 1 hour, or until a skewer comes out clean. Let's go. Almost all the recipes in the new book have tons of variations and swap outs, this one included. You can make this as muffins instead of a loaf, 425 for 5 minutes, and then 350 for 15 to 20, or until the centers are set. So easy. Oh. How does this look?
Looks like chocolate pie.
Chocolate pie.
Why did you need those?
This kept the paper down.
Oh.
Comes out easily.
I want that whole thing now. Allow your banana bread to cool slightly. Oh, and I have one more thing to say. We hope it's very delicious. And make sure to hit that subscribe button.
That's
Enjoy.
good. That's a good point. All right, allow your banana bread to cool slightly. Give it a slice. And just like that, it's ready to enjoy. Look at that. How does it smell?
Hot. It smells hot. But it also does smell delicious. Oh, are all these slices for me?
Pillowy soft chocolate perfection with a lovely kiss of banana and cinnamon. I hope you had a chance to make this recipe, and if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and check out my book playlist.
Now I can take this.
No, the whole thing. Nom 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 nom.